fine. How was the day at work?
Good.
Guess what, babe?
What?
I have a surprise for you.
Okay, let it out.
You close your eyes.
Sure.
If you do not want to close it, then you leave the surprise.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Better. Okay. Can I paint?
Wow. Where did you get them from?
Well, I asked Filo to wash your clothes for me, and then she saw this and brought it back to me.
You gave her my clothes to wash?
Yes, babe. I mean, what's that? It's part of our duties. Besides, I was busy with the baby. And I'm sure you know if it was the laundry, they wouldn't have brought back this money.
Wow. I can't believe she's this sincere.
Well, now you know. You have to remove every negative thought you have about Filo. She's a nice girl. Trust me.
That's nice. Okay, you've not told me why your mother came.
Baby is my brother, Otunaka. Otunaka wants to drive us nuts. He's been complicating Mama's life. I don't know what his problem is. Baby, can you believe that Otunaka impregnated his girlfriend?
The same girl your mother alleged that he spent all his money on?
The same girl. And now her people are insisting that Otunaka has to come and pay the full dowry and marry her.
Oh,
else.
This is a bad news. Then how is Otunaka coping with the setback he's having on his business?
Baby, you know what? Enough of Otunaka. I don't care how he copes. I don't care how he does it. After I wasn't there when they were doing it. What matters to me right now is that my darling husband is back from work. So I'm no longer bored. Guess what again? I made your favorite.
Nice one. So how is my boy?
Oh, it's fine. He's with Philo.
Okay, get my food. Keep this thing for me.
Okay, so why don't you freshen up while I...
She's a nursing mother. Look well before you are sad. That one biggie mistake.
Good morning, sir.
Philo, how are you?
I'm very fine, sir.
Philo, thank you for the money you found in my pocket.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, I didn't even know I kept them there. And I didn't know you are this sincere.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Did he really mean that he didn't know the money was there?
Journey of life, love of mother. I've been child, nigga, I've been there. I'll be a brother, Iju was say, I'll be a brother, I want journey of life, Illigada, I've been there. I've been there. I'll be a brother, what a nursing mother.
Is your guy around? Oga don't come out this morning. Oga no day. What about Madam? Madam no day too. Madam don't come out. What of Philomena? Is she in? Philo. That one no get work. She dey inside. She just dey inside. Oga, come. Now me you supposed deliver the message to. Philo not ordinary house girl. Now me be the official security officer for this compound, recommended by the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And if you say that's rubbish again, I'll get you arrested. Are you silly? Do you know the content of message I want to deliver to her? Oga, forget the continent you want to deliver to her. I am the only person you can give the continent to. Will you shut your stupid mouth there? Not be silly. Hey, all these upcoming Ogas, You never even reach your guy. You don't they look down on us. Don't worry, may God just bless us. When we get money, I go turn you. I go turn you to my shoemaker. No problem.
Sisi Edo. Oh, what's Siri?
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. I came to know why you're here.
I need you to leave. I don't want them to come back and meet you here.
Filo, look, for whatever reason you're here, okay, I came to say I am sorry. I am sorry for my actions.
You're sorry about what? You're sorry about what exactly? Rina, you ruined my life. I would not say this again. Get out of this house, now. Get out!
What about...
Just get out. I don't want to repeat myself. Get out of this house!
I am sorry. I'm sorry for everything I caused you. The pains I caused you, I am sorry. Look, I searched for you. I searched everywhere for you. No one could tell me your whereabouts. Filo, I still love you. From the depth of...
Shut up! Now you listen to me. If you don't take your filthy self out of this house, I would scream. I will scream down this building and break this roof down. Get out.
Fine. Good. Go ahead. Filo, go ahead and scream. Shout for all I can. I bet my friend will be glad to know your true identity.
What? Listen to me. I would not have you. I would not have you come in here and blackmail me. This is the last time I'm going to say this. Get out. Get out of this house. Get out!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry for everything I caused you.
Which kind continent message will this man carry come? Say make he come gives me. Eh? Na message in can't allow me. I will be here. I'm not going anywhere. I must see the end of this message. No, with Oga. Yes, thank God Madam is back. Thank God Madam is back. Madam, calm down. Madam, somebody is delivering message. Uncle from post office is here. Oh, madam. Madam, come. Somebody from post office.
Welcome to my house. Thank you. What a mansion! You stop. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Gosh. It's time to bring out your love. I love this place. What? Ginny. Ginny, oh, thank you. Thank you. Gosh. Shall we? Okay, after you. Let's go.
Hello, Ginny.
Hi, Obayo. Is my husband back from work?
No, actually, I thought he was around, but your husband said he's not yet back.
Oh. Okay. I hope there's no problem.
Not at all. I have to leave now.
Okay. Ginny, who is...
Open the gate.
She's a simple woman.
How do you open the gate? Okay?
She's my husband's friend. Oh,
Do you know she don't have evil in her mind? Yeah, a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. My mama,
Wait, who person? It be like say the message wey come inside come deliver. The message too long. A heavy duty message.
Meaning what?
Meaning say if madam no come, you first need dey inside. They deliver the message with follow.
I can see you're insane. I can see you're silly. My friend, will you open this gate for me? Let me get out of here.
Sorry.
Silly. You soon lose your job.
I no go lose my job. I no go lose my job. Now for this security post, now here I go there. I go find out everything wey dey happen for this compound. No problem. You can't deliver message with Filo. You carry continent come. In fact, I know they go anywhere. Now here I go there. I go dey see everybody where they carry continent come give you, no? No problem. Okay.
My dear, I'm happy for you.
Look at you. You have a child. Not just a child. A son. That's good. I understand. Okay, first of all, I'll say it's on God. Secondly, I'm sure one day you're going to be like me. Even better than me. Amen. I can't wait. Hey!
Oh my goodness.
Ginny, who was that girl that took my box? Was that the house help you told me about?
Filo? Ah, no, not really. Babes, Filo is amazing. She's God sent. She's been of so much help to me in this house ever since she stepped her foot into this compound.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Ha! Seriously, babe, you need to be careful.
How can you have such a grown-up girl in your house? Wait, Bibian, I'm not understanding what you're saying one bit. What are you saying? You're endangering your marriage. Men are not to be trusted. Bibian, stop it. First of all, I trust my husband. Then second of all, he's not like every other man out there. Please. My husband loves me. Oh, baby.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. How was work today?
Good.
I'm sorry.
Meet my friend Bibian. Bibian meets my darling husband.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hey. Oh, I can see you're good, huh?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I'll take care of her.
It's okay. I'm upstairs.
No, baby, I am. What time is your house, baby?
This man is awesome.
This is dream come true. Take a look at the cars. Fleet of cars. Big house. Hey! Ginny that I know those days, she doesn't have high taste. She can only follow those small boys with no money. Ah, Ginny. I'm happy for you. See mansion. See. What is it?
Nothing.
What is it?
Nothing. See, I was just taking a look around. Since the weather don't look.
Oh, really? Yes. Come. Why were you peeping at me?
I know beep, I know beep, I know even popo, all of my cajon, beep, popo. Huh?
Okay. Did you hear what I was saying?
Yes.
You heard what I said?
Yeah, I heard everything.
Huh?
Yes. Yeah.
What did I say? What
You
did
say whether I beep you or popo you.
You're such a big fool.
Thank you.
Come back here. Did I ask you to leave? Who the hell are you? What's your name?
Hey.
Who brought you here?
My name, Forget about who brought me an animal. My name is Isiko. Isiko, the official security officer in this compound, recommended by the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No badge.
Will you shut up your dirty, smelling mouth? Who the hell are you? You idiot. You don't talk when I talk. You don't cough when I cough. Big fool. Now get out.
Madam, see eh?
Will you shut up?
Now me be in charge of everything when they happen for this compound though. Now me be the official security officer number 1.
Oh gosh. Gosh. Where did Ginny bring this animal from?
See, Ginger did not bring any animal. My name is Azik, not Ginger.
Get out. Just get out. Ah! Ginny brought a madman in her house. Oh.
She's now calling me an animal. Ginger, bring an animal. Go there.
Oh, beautiful house. Just the way I love them. Oh. So
I must do my work in this compound. You people know why they are calling me Chief Security Officer. Isiko. No problem. Get like a man, boy, is it top light? Obo ga go tight. Na beautiful.
Bibi.
Yeah?
You know, something happened this afternoon. I wanted to keep mute about it, but I just can't hold it anymore.
Okay, what happened?
You know, I went to pick Bibian up, only for me to come back to the house and I met your friend Obino. I don't get. How come he came to look for you in the house? Why didn't he come to the office?
He told me.
He told you?
Yes, he did. He later came to the office.
So, how come, why didn't he come to the office?
He later came to the office.
He thought, you see?
Baby, come on. It's okay. Let's talk about your friend. So, what kind of business does she do?
She's a banker. I mean, she used to be a banker, but she's not working right now.
Why?
I don't know why she quit the job, but I think she said the conditions and that the stress was a whole lot for her. So, for now, she's just running around trying to get some other place to work and all that.
And again, she's having an accommodation problem.
Yes. Baby, that's why I came into the picture. She's a nice girl. She needs this job. Just...
What do you want me to say? I wanted to show you something. Come and see.
No. Hey. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da. Are you mad? Oh, auntie. Are you stupid? Sorry. A mistake. Sorry. Philomena. Right? Philomena. I want to ask you something. I've been meaning to ask you. Are you a nothing mother? Are you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about. first day I stepped my foot into this house, I observed that your dress was soaked with something that looked like breast milk. Now answer me. Are you a nursing mother?
Auntie, this question where they ask now, we know they wants to be a millionaire. I said no. You want to force me to talk what I know do?
Oh my gosh. Are you talking to me? Are you So, you mean you don't know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes, I don't know.
You don't have any idea of what I'm talking about, right?
I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Jimmy must hear this. Rubbish.
Bibian, what are you saying? Wait, are you trying to tell me that I've been keeping a nursing woman under my roof? I mean, I've been living with a nursing mother? Ginny, on 2 occasions, I've seen her dress soaked with breast milk. What? It's a good sign that she's breastfeeding a baby. Wait a minute. Are you saying she's been breastfeeding my child? Well, I didn't say that. What are you saying exactly? Just go straight to the point and don't bust my brain for Christ's sake. What are you saying? Ginny, do you actually breastfeed your baby? I mean, that's a stupid question. Why would you ask me that? Of course I breastfeed my baby. You know, I don't get it. How come you said you always see her with stained clothes of... I don't get it. What's going on? What's going on in my house? Ginny, don't worry. Let's not just talk about it again. Let's say something else. But seriously, you need to be careful. You really need to have your eyes on your baby. Are you ready? Are you going home ready? Now you pass this. Mama. Bye-bye. Oh, that's Mama. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mama, since you're ready, let me get the car keys so I'll drop you off. Please wait. I have warned you to be careful in this marriage. And I can't give me a name. You have 2 women in this house. I'm funny enough overloaded. Mama. And you can't keep it. What is this? Don't you know that you have kept in your house Dikeh for that thing that I just saw? You can in a binye. Mama, must we talk about this all the damn time? Okay. Have you called Odinaka? I have called Odinaka and I've already told him that I'm sending the money for the girl. Okay. Mama, for Christ's sake, you need to be calming down. Bibian is just a friend who has helped me in the past. A friend that has helped you in the past. That's all. This future now, present, the help Oh yes, it will be well. Okay, go and get your car keys. We'll finish the discussion in the car. Mama, I don't know why you're always like this. Why you always spoiling my mood? The minute he sights it, everywhere, standing. Can he get what Dikeh fata pasiata as ourselves? Nonsense. Are you saying she's been breastfeeding my child? Well, I didn't say that. What are you saying exactly? Just go straight to the point and don't bust my brain for Christ's sake. What are you saying? Ginny, do you actually breastfeed your baby?
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Welcome.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
No, you're not okay. You look terrible.
I am fine.
Tell me, what is it?
Babe, I am okay. I was just missing you.
Are you sure? Okay, I'm here now. So, sit. So, how was the day?
It was okay. So tell me, how was yours?
Fine. I've sacked my secretary.
Why? What did she do? Why would you do that?
Baby, I'll gist you later. But before then, let me freshen up and eat first and I'll just see you up later, okay?
Okay.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I am fine.
She's a simple woman. She's a simple woman. Nina, she don't have evil in her mind. Yeah, a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right.
Hi. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome. How was work today?
Oh, it was fine. Very fine.
How madam take no say you dey give him picking breast?
Isaac, bring your voice down now, eh? I don't want me to hear you. Bring your voice down.
Madam do already know say you dey give him picking breast. So what she don't know, be say she don't know. Eh?
Isaac, I beg. I use God with the heaven to beg you. You see today, count me out. I don't get strength. I don't get one strength. I beg. Just leave me. You hear? Yeah? I want day my day. You day your day. I day something. I beg. I don't tire.
Okay. No wahala now. Let me say make I go.
I beg. Go.
No wahala, no dey need am. Eh? No dey need am. No wahala. I go go. But I go come back. I go come back. I go come back and tell you wetin carry me come. Na for your own good o. Eh? If I come back, you go come kneel down. I go come tell you the thing. Don't forget to kneel down o. I go go. Don't worry, I go go.
Agbaya. But wait, oh. How my madam take find out? How did she know? Because I know say no be Isaac tell her. But that Bians, that small Bians, Bibiana, I should say na she tell her. Na she. Hi. God damn, you too much, oh. After you. You don't worry, it's too much. I say my madam no believe her. So therefore just take pushing me come up for this house. Down. God, I bless you. I glorify your name. That was say she no believe. That was say she no believe. Thank you.
Yeah. I actually wanted to tell you something. And trust me, this is a top secret. It's just a secret between me, my husband, and his friend.
Okay, I'm listening.
After the question you asked me yesterday, I felt the urge to tell you about it.
What question was that? Because I can't even remember.
You asked me if I was breastfeeding my child or not.
What about that?
I've been married to my husband for 7 years. And we were not able to show anything for it. It doesn't mean he's not medically fit. We are medically fit, stop it.
Come on, Ginny. You're confusing me here. What are you talking about? You've been married for 7 years, nothing to show for it.
What I am saying is, I've been married to my husband for 7 years, yet we're not able to have any issue. And he's the only son of his family with so much pressure.
What are you talking about? What about your son, Prosper?
He's not my son.
Huh? You're joking, right?
I'm not. That's the truth.
But why wouldn't people adopt a child? You guys are so young. At least you would have waited for 1 or 2 years or thereabouts. I mean, adoption, it's not good.
Well,
for God's blessing.
We had to go with the option from his friend because we believed that adopting a child would bring blessings to us. And trust me, Prosper has been amazing. I mean, we don't even regret adopting him. I just wanted to share it with you as my bosom friend.
This is unbelievable. I'm shocked. No wonder I've not seen Ginny breastfeed that baby since I came here. If she is medically fit, as she claimed, why is she not yet pregnant for her husband? I'm still suspecting that house girl. I'm sure she's breastfeeding that baby. The reason is what I can't tell.
What are they doing here? Baby, how are you? What are those evil men doing there? Huh?
They said they came to see you.
They came to see me?
Yes.
Baby, you could have called me. Eh? I would have come home immediately and sent them back home. Because I wouldn't want them to sleep here. But it's late now, I can't send them back again.
Baby, I thought you knew about their visit. Trust me.
Babe, I told you I do not want to see those evil men again because they knew what happened to my father.
Baby, I'm sorry. I swear I never knew you did not invite them. I've been waiting for you to come back so you can tell me what business you have with those evil men. I didn't know.
Ginny, this is unlike you.
Baby, I just said I am sorry. I didn't know, please. I thought you knew about their visit.
It's getting cold.
Philomena in my friend's house as a house girl? Why? Are her parents truly dead, as she claimed? Her friend was angry with me the last time we met. I must find out. I must find out what really went wrong.
Journey of life, love of mother. I've been child, nigga been there. I've been a Iju was say, I've been a I want journey of life, I've been there.
To be honest with you, I am still wondering why Richard did not by any chance inform us about let us know about the new baby.
I'm confused myself. As far as I'm concerned, his wife was not pregnant when they came back to the village for his late father's burial. 3 months ago, just 3 months.
You're right. You are very, very right. Yes, and I don't know. Good morning, sirs.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry, I was so tired last night that I was so tired last night that I couldn't talk with you people. There's no problem. Richard, you see, we are happy that you now have a son. I thank God for that. So can you say why you're here? I think I'm running out of time. You see, Richard, we are here for a very serious issue. Okay. And it cannot be discussed in a hurry. See, go to work, don't worry. Uncle Achike, what is that thing that is so serious that you cannot discuss in a hurry? Say it.
He said you should go to work. Come back. When you come back, we'll discuss this.
That's not true. I cannot have both of you spend the night in this house again. And then, Richard, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to chase us out of our own brother's house? It's my father's house and it's also my own house. So I wanted to say why you're here so you start going back to the village immediately.
I can see you have lost your manners. In fact, now I see the very reason why you have refused to come back to the village so you can sit down and share our late brother's property. Yes.
What did you just say? You had it right. And let me tell you, and that is why we are here. And now, listen, Richard, please avoid trouble and problem. Please go in there, gather all our brothers' documents. Of all his own properties, bring it down here. And now listen, make sure you do not hide anyone, because we have to split it into 3. You have only 1 hour, just 1 hour to leave this house. Else, you will regret ever coming in here. 1 hour.
Richard, we are going nowhere. We are waiting for you.
Look at this man. Now, man, 1 hour. Just 1 hour. If you like, make it 1 second.
No.
We are going nowhere until we finish sharing this. Okay, now let me tell you, Richard is joking.
Enough.
Come down, we're here waiting for you.
No.
Rubbish.
Amy, what happened?
Those evil men, they are pushing me to the wall. They are really pushing me. If they do not leave here in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to deal with them.
Okay, fine. What did they do?
Can you imagine? They came all the way from the village just to share my father's property.
What? No, you're joking, right?
No, they killed my father. Now they want to share his properties.
Why are they like that? Why? What is their problem?
Okay.
Bibi, listen, you have to calm down. They will go. They have to go.
You see why I told you I don't want them anywhere around me?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put you through all this. Trust me. Please just calm down, okay? I'm sorry.
What's still keeping him inside? I thought he said time was against him.
Are you asking me? If you like, let him tell it. We are waiting until we are sure that
okay.
Documents.
You're still here, eh? You're still here.
We are not going anywhere until you do exactly what we asked you to do.
For real? Okay, you want to know what I will do? Eh? You want to see my color, right? Unchima hengeme. Okay? Oh. Okay. Don't worry. I will show you. I will show you. Just sit down and wait. Sit down and wait till I come back. Eh? Then you regret ever coming here. Richard, we are waiting. We are waiting. You're waiting, Go eh? And come back. It's okay. Chenaka Olum. Nonsense.
We regret nothing. Let's look at it. Come back, we're waiting for you.
Get the corner. Hey! Of matter. We are here. Let him go and come back. You come back and meet us here.
But seriously, my husband just said you guys should go, right? Why don't you respect your old age and just get the hell out? It's not that hard.
That Michigan. No. Let me ask you. So you have the audacity, the temerity, you have the impetus to ask us to go out of our own brother's house. Eh? Now let me tell you, if you don't shut that thing you call mouth, and go upstairs, do something with your life, or go to the kitchen and do something.
Don't mind her.
Just
let me tell you. You and your husband owe us explanation as to the true identity of that baby you call your son.
Bam.
Yes,
Listen, I don't know whether you bought it. If you take that child's own blood, plasma. Don't worry. Just pray. Oh, check on my God.
You know what? I'm done with this.
When you're done, just make use of the service.
Like a husband, like a wife.
My sister, your husband did the right thing by getting them arrested. My dear, those old men, they are nothing but big fools. I mean, why will you be dragging someone's property with him? Who does that?
They will learn their lessons by the time they spend days in police cell.
My dear, I don't even care how many days they spend there. They can rot there for all I care. That's why I said the reason my husband has refused to have anything to do with them. I mean, he has been avoiding them ever since he buried his father.
This is one thing with all these uncles in the village. They are extremely wicked. They are dangerous.
My dear, my husband is even suspecting them of having a hand in his father's death. You know the man was poisoned. So it can be anybody. Nobody is trusted.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Your husband needs to be careful. Those men are dangerous.
My dear, in fact, he is extra careful. It's not done.
Hey,
you have to pick one. So,
wow. Ginny, baby. Has your husband found another secretary?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
Ginny, please help me talk to your husband on my behalf.
What for?
to give me the job, let me work as his new secretary.
What? You want to be my husband's secretary? Bibian? What has come over you? I mean, when did this one start? Since when?
Ginny, please now. It's better to be busy than to be idle. Please help me talk to your husband. I really need this job. Please, you know I'm working hard.
You're not serious, right?
Ginny, please now. Let me talk to your husband. Ginny, please now. Ginny, please. Ginny,
Can you stop romancing my legs? I mean, I'm a married woman, for Christ's sake.
Ginny, please now.
Not to my face.
Okay, talk to your husband. Please now. I'm your sister.
Bibian.
Please.
Get the hell out, please.
I'm really worried about my daughter. The dream I had last night concerning her marriage is really worrisome. I think I should go to the city and let her know about it, so that we can all agree and pray together over the situation and her family. Fabulous from mother and one kid, if I may ask. Sometimes
Mama, there is something very important I want to tell you.
Okay, what is it?
Mama, listen. I am not happy with the arrangement you went to make with Ibere's family. I am not happy with it at all.
So what do you want to do about it?
Mama, I don't think I will marry that girl. Never. How am I even sure I'm the one that got her pregnant? Mama, see, that is not the problem. I can take care of her until she puts to bed. But me to marry that girl, Mama, me, never.
Are you okay? But it's your Mama,
what did you just say?
You see that girl? Inusigie, no casual kiss when you must marry her.
Mama, I will not marry. You cannot force me to marry anybody. Never. Mama, I will not marry that girl. Mama, I will not. You're walking out of me, Abby. Mama, I will not marry that girl. Nobody will force me to marry that girl. Never. That will be over my dead body. What is wrong with everybody in this family? Hey, Mama, come and force me to marry her.
Filo! Philomena! What is it? Sorry, did you say Philo?
Ginny, I thought you sent her to the market to get some foodstuffs for you.
But she ought to be back by now. It's been long now. And Prosper has been crying upstairs. What kind of human being is this?
Oh, let me carry him.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Shit. Oh my God. Hey, this guy has to explain to me what has been keeping her in that market. I only asked her to get me food stuff and yet is driving me nuts. Are you sure you're okay with him?
Yeah, I'm fine. I can carry him because I'll have mine soon. Ginny, have you talked with your husband?
Concerning the job stuff?
Yes.
Well, yes, I did.
Okay, what was his response?
He said he will get back to me once he comes back from work.
Ginny, please, help me talk to him. You know I need this job. I don't want to be idle.
Listen to me, girlfriend. I've said everything I'm supposed to say. And he sounded so negative about all this. But you know what? Let me just wait until he returns. Just pray he says something positive.
I pray so.
Pray. So let me get something from the kitchen, okay? I'm suspecting this Ginny. I will blame her if the husband doesn't give me this job. Are you sure she's even happy that I want to get the job from her husband? Baby. Oh, baby is sleeping.
Carol, sincerely, the pressure from Obinna is getting too much. I might end up losing my job if he opens up to Richard.
Obinna, what does he want from you?
The idiot said he is still in love with me.
Excuse me. He's in love with you after abandoning you with that pregnancy. He must be out of his mind, sincerely. But Philo, come to think of it, if you ask me, I will say leave that house immediately and go back to the village. I see danger ahead of you.
Well, I did not ask you, so keep your opinion to yourself. You and I know, I have said this before, I can't give up. I've come too far already.
So what exactly are your plans? Because I keep wondering what your plans are. What do you intend to do?
I don't know. Truly, I don't know. I'm just relying on God. I don't know.
About Obinna, what do you want to do about him?
I have told this idiot that I aborted the pregnancy. Yet he won't believe. I don't know what else to say to him.
Philo, I am not happy with you. I am not happy at all. This wasn't what you told me from the beginning. It wasn't our initial plan.
I'm going home. I need to get to the house before my madam starts looking for me.
You're always walking out. I would walk out.
Drive me nuts.
Can you check this out?
What's this?
Check the content.
Where did you get this from?
In Philo's room.
Philo's what?
Philo's room.
And who is Richard? Who is Richard?
I don't know. Or maybe you ask her when she comes back.
And I am going to expose everything to Richard if you do not open up. Who is Richard? Wait. Could it be my own Richard? No, she dare not. And who is the opener that brought this letter in the first place? Why did Bibian say this?
She said nothing mother. Look well before you accept her. Before you make a mistake, you make it you oh, make it
Come back here. Come back here. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the market,
If you lie to me one more time, I will give you a very lefty hot slap that will reset your brain. I asked you a question. Where the hell are you coming from?
Mama, I'm coming from the market.
You're coming from the market? You, Philo, you're coming from the market. I asked you to go to the market to buy ordinary food stuff. Look at your time. 4 good hours to come back home. You forgot you had a baby to take care of. That's by the way. Who has this letter? Answer my question!
The letter is
It's
Who
mine.
has the letter? Are you now a stammerer?
No, it's...
Who has it?
It's mine.
It's yours. Nice. Now tell me, who sent the letter?
My ex-boyfriend.
Really? Nice. Who is Richard?
Richard is my current boyfriend, ma.
Beautiful. Wonderful story. So only you have ex-boyfriend and also a current boyfriend. So this is what you do. Philomena, this is what you do when I'm not around. You abandon my baby you're supposed to be taking care of and bring in different men into my house.
Madam, no, I swear.
You swear it?
He has never come here to look for
So how
me.
did he send you the letter?
He delivered it to the gate.
Ah! And Isaac had the guts to deliver it to you. It's okay. My husband must see this. I will sort you with you.
Oh, madam, I am finished. How did she get the letter?
I want to sit in there. Ma? Go and put my foot. Stupid thing. Get out. Come on, put my foot shop. That was when I see them thinking about your miserable life. Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! So you and Philo had the cost to plan it. Eh? You had to bring strangers into my house. For what?
I don't pass this thing. I don't feel do that kind of thing now. I don't feel do am now.
Hey, you cannot do it. Who brought this letter?
Eh?
Who brought this letter? Are you deaf? Who the hell brought this letter to my house?
Madam, now one man, he carry and come for this case. Say make I carry and go give Philo. Madam.
Eh.
Yes, madam.
Now one man come. He said, "May you carry and give Philo."
Yes, madam.
If I were you, you're a wonderful guy.
Hey!
I said, clap your clapping. Fool.
Thank you.
I said, clap your clapping.
Thank you, madam.
You know what? At this point of your life right now, you have lost your job.
Hey, madam.
Let my husband come back.
Madam,
Madam,
I say if you sack me, I go die. I
don't just die. As a matter of fact, lie down and just die. I'm not in that past mortuary.
Madam.
You.
Hey, madam. Hey! I talk am say I no want wahala for this house. Eh? Philo, instead of Oga to sack me, madam go now go tell Oga go come sack me. Instead of Oga to sack me, I go dey for this house. Eh? Till I get money, I go save money for this house. Buy this kind of motor where Oga dey drive. Marry this guy. I no go marry this guy wife. Philo, I go talk. I swear I go talk.
My dear, I asked her. She said Richard is her new boyfriend. I mean her latest boyfriend. That's his name. And you believed her? Ginny, there is more to this letter that gives me so much concern. You have to get to the root of this. But I've asked her now, she has told me everything. What else do you want her to tell me? My dear, I don't believe that girl. I know she's lying. If I were you, I will force her to tell me the truth. Even if it means to beat her. Let her confess. I don't trust that girl. Are you trying to say that she lied to me? Yes, she lied to you. Ginny. Wait. Are you trying to say, or are you insinuating that it could be my own Richard? I never said that. She dare not. You trust people too much. Tina! Sharp girl! Who is Richard?
I got the one here, Kwenka. Auntie Gwegwegwe. What be your own? I dey ask you to eyelash. What be your own? What concern my life? Eh?
I'm the only one that understands the content of that letter I found in your room.
Hey! Wait. So now you gather mind basically enter my room. Wetin my madam never do since when I come this house. Now you gather mind enter my own room. Eh?
Well, if you care to know, I saw you when you tiptoed to the gate man
to collect the letter. And as a sharp girl, I had to go into your room. I was so curious, so I wanted to know what the content was all about. So I had to...
As a sharp girl, I had to get into your room to collect the letter so that I know what the letter is talking about, Mrs. Curiosity. Now that you curious finish, find what you won't find. That's when you go back, you collect check. Anybody give you money?
Well, you've not answered my question.
You want to know?
Who is Richard?
You want to know who Richard be? See them.